Hello and welcome. This explain that in this how to schedule your TikTok videos. So first you must be on your desktop and open up tiktok.com in any browser that you have. Make sure that you're already logged in and then tap on the upload there. After that, tapping on the upload, it will redirect you to the TikTok's Creator Center. You just need to upload any video that you want to be uploaded with a schedule in mind. Wait for it to be uploaded. In the right side, you can see there's a schedule video option. Just enable or toggle it on and then tap on allow. You'll be able to see there a date and also the time. Just tap on it and it will prompt you to select any time and date that you want, even the day itself. So after tapping on it, you can check it out the other options as well. There are copyright check for legitimacy, and also you can do the privacy of the account. After you're done, just tap on the post, wait for it to load out, and as an uploading, even if you restart or refresh, it will not cancel out the upload. So after that, you just need to wait for it. It's a waiting game. Then you can do manage your post to see if you want to change the date itself as well. Just tap on the analytics icon, and after that, that should be it.